Just for when you got a lot going on and you don't want to mess it up no more, you know, like you just like, I hear you, skin, I hear you, but we got to go out looking presentable today, so you got to hear me too. And this is what happened. Alright, hi guys, my name is Erica Monique, and I am here going to be doing a light face for just when you have some errands to run, or you just need to run out the house really quickly, but you have all of this going on. Like, every time that time of the month comes, my skin is just like, girl, I'm here. Girl, I'm here. Like, girl, I'm here. So I have already moisturized, did my skincare. I have finished my eyebrows, so I am just going to show you what I do when that time of the month is here and I still want to look good. Okay? And if you want details on my eyebrows, there is a video for that. I will link it here. And we're gonna hop straight into the video. So the most important thing that I found to help my skin during this time is making sure that I'm not irritating my skin even more by putting on makeup. So I try to steer clear of any oily products, and I'm trying to make sure that I am always using clean brushes. Like, I literally just went ahead and popped this out the box, because beauty blenders, even though you can clean them, they're not always like free of bacteria and old makeup and all of that stuff, and I don't need any of that getting in the way of my skin right now, because it's going through enough, baby. Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna do is take this derma blend. Like, it is nothing in here, okay, like nothing. So I take a little bit, and this is just to kind of suck up some of that oil from showing through when I put the rest of my face on. Like, this is something that I normally only do when I'm really oily or during summertime, or if I am broken out, so that like the extra oils don't cause me to have more breakouts throughout the day. You just want to kind of do any type of setting powder or translucent powder to kind of just have a good start. You don't want to put makeup onto a oily, you know, face. I only really use this concealer whenever I am having like red marks and blemishes and a lot of stuff going on. I normally swear by the Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer, but when my face is already at its worst, I need this, because also the Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer is like a little oily. So is this one, but it's not as oily, and I see that it tends to hold better coverage throughout the day. So I'm gonna use my finger. I always want to make sure you are washing your hands before you do your makeup. That is very important. And I'm just gonna like go ahead and give myself that initial coverage. And this is not pricey at all. Like, this is the Sephora brand. I honestly don't remember how much I paid for it, but it wasn't bad. And then I'm just gonna go in and pull from the edges, guys. Anywhere that you have something that you're actually trying to cover up, you want to pull from the edges and kind of build on that area. So right here, you just want to make sure that you're getting all of your dark spots, any areas that you want to be covered up, and you're just blending. Make sure that you're blending it out really nicely, and you're pulling from the sides. Like, look. Y'all, I got these press-on nails, and when I tell you, I'm making these things last. I had them on for about a week now, and when one pop, I just keep it moving. Pop it right back on, keep it moving. So eyes are here. They made an appearance, baby. They say, hey, hey. So now I'm just gonna bring some color back into it. And here's like one of my mini tools that I don't use. So I'm gonna use it today because we want to make sure we are using clean brushes. This is just the Anastasia contour kit. And I'm using the darkest color to just put a little bit of color into my face. I'm not gonna put on highlighter today because that's just dumb when my skin is already, you know, it's just gonna highlight all of this and all of that. Like, you don't want to put on highlighter when your skin is just looking crazy. I mean, I know I don't. So I'm gonna use that same color on my nose, and then just very quickly like go through it with some powder. And then I just want to make sure this is all blended out. Nope. I'm gonna go in with some powder. Y'all, I love, like, I can't express how many times, like, I've said this, but I love this album. I don't know if it's because I just be in my feelings, but not even really, like, I be good, but this album is just it. The last thing that I'm gonna do is just spray some of this on my face. Face is here, and I personally love this because I don't have to dibble and dabble in the foundation and just getting overly oily and whatnot. If I just bring this brush and this little powder with me in my purse and just do this after about 4 hours, I know I'm not gonna break out. I know I'm not gonna be oily. I know my skin is still looking decent and presentable. I'm happy. We're all happy. Just don't touch the foundation. Hope you guys like this tutorial. And well, it's not even really a tutorial. It's just showing y'all what I do to make it work when it ain't working. Okay? But yeah, so this is the finished look. Eyeshadow, like, I'm really just gonna go run some errands. But you know, I ain't do a cut crease. I ain't do no wild colors. I just did a little. Yeah. Alright, bye y'all, for real. I will see y'all in the next video.